Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Jazz dashboard. First, prioritize safety by always disconnecting the negative battery cable, especially if your vehicle has airbags. Next, carefully remove the fuse lid assembly and the center console. Make sure you have the right tools, such as trim tools to prevent damage and an 8mm socket, ready for the upcoming steps. Taking your time here will ensure a smoother process. Now, proceed to remove the various interior panels. Start by detaching the driver's and passenger's dashboard under covers. Then, take out the inner glove box and both kick panels. Remember to use your trim tools to avoid scratching any surfaces. Finally, carefully unclip the front pillar trim from both sides of the vehicle, working slowly to prevent any damage to the plastic. With the panels removed, it's time to address the electrical connections and the steering column. Disconnect all accessible wiring harnesses and control cables, paying close attention to their routing. Next, remove the nuts that secure the fuse and relay box, allowing it to be lowered. Finally, carefully detach the steering column assembly, ensuring all connections are free before moving it aside. For the final step, locate and remove all remaining bolts that secure the dashboard to the vehicle's frame. These are often found along the top edge and sides. With all fasteners and connections free, carefully lift the dashboard away from the body. Having an assistant can make this much easier and prevent damage. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Take your time during extraction to avoid scratching any surfaces or bending components. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.